Hi, I'm Wes Ward from Wes Ward Auto Repair, 1193 Portland Street in St. Johnsbury. I'm here today to teach you how to check the air in your tires and to explain how important it is to make sure that your tire pressure is checked. Recommended to check it once a month. Even if your car is equipped with the low tire pressure monitoring system, you still need to check your tires on a regular basis, and we're going to show you how to do that today. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is locate the valve on your tire, and we're going to remove the cap. Take a simple tire gauge, place it on there, and look at the reading. This is in increments of 2 pounds, so you need to look at the tire pressure and see where it's at. You also want to check the door tag to see what the recommended tire pressure is for your vehicle. If you need to add air, you simply take the air hose, add air to this valve, check it again, make sure that you have the proper amount in your tire. So if your car is equipped with the low tire pressure monitoring system, keep in mind that if that light comes on, it typically means that one of your tires is low on pressure. It may look okay, but it's down low, and it only has to be 10% difference between one tire and the other tire in order for the light to come on. Keep that in mind. If you put air in the tire and you put too much in, that can also make the light come on. So you want to make sure that it's the exact amount that's supposed to be in that tire. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us at 748-3636 or visit us online at wesward.com.